Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Instagram's new dynamic profile photo flip between your profile photo and your avatar. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone and your Android phone, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So Instagram have launched a new dynamic profile photo feature that lets users showcase their profile photo and their avatar. Prior to this update, you had to choose between displaying a profile picture or an avatar on your profile. However, you can now select both and the users can swipe and see your profile photo and your avatar. So let me show you how to enable this dynamic flip on your Instagram profile photo. So before we begin, you want to go ahead and open up your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Instagram and update it if there is any update. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now you want to tap on your profile tab here at the bottom right. This will take you to your profile page. Then tap on Edit Profile. Here at the top, you want to tap on Edit Picture or Avatar. So as you can see, you have your avatar set and you have your profile photo set. So now if you want to enable the dynamic swipe feature, you want to tap on your avatar here. Next, you want to enable add to profile picture. So go ahead and enable that. Now, once you do this, your profile picture will be enabled for your normal profile picture and the avatar. Once you're happy with that, tap on the empty space at the top. Then tap on Done at the top right. This will now set your profile picture to be a dynamic one where any users can swipe left or right to choose between your avatar or your profile picture. So there you go. That is how to enable the Instagram's new dynamic profile photo flip between your profile photo and avatar. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.